Hello students, this is Yashadhari. In this video, we know about the how the viewing port will be existing in a graphics. Okay, means how the viewport and viewing port, how that your image will be zooming in a display. Okay, so let's start. Viewing transformation in a two dimensions means in a xy direction we are viewing the objects on the screen. Okay, so what is a window? Window to viewport transformation. How it will perform in a graphics. We will see. Okay. So this is a process of a transforming 2D word coordinates object to device coordinates. What it means, what they want to say. The object inside the word or a clip the window are mapped to the viewport, which is the area on the screen where word coordinate are mapped to be displayed. Means suppose this is your window. So this is your given image is there. Okay. So with the example we will see it is clear to you. With means this is a window. For that we have to coordinates is x y, right? So in a way x y this is a minimum value, right? This x value is indicated with a minimum, x minimum, y minimum. Okay, so this is a x max, right? This is your y max. The x max, y max and x min, y min gives a window port. Okay, this here we have to take the w indicates your window port. If you want to zoom this one, this part want to zoom it, means we want to view this part of a image, that is called a view. Okay, this is your viewport. And this clip will be happened, right? The clipping is happened here. So this is your viewport. How the viewport coordinates we indicate with the x v min, x max, okay, and y v min, and this is y max. Okay, so the simple one is this is a viewport and this is your window port. Now, next the definition. What is a window here? A window is a virtual word coordinates are chosen to view what you want to see. Okay. While the viewport is the rectangular region on the physical screen, a device coordinates pixel where the window centers are displayed. Okay, what it is you will know in the next slide. The figure is there. So focus on here. The window to viewport transformation maps the points from the Windows coordinate system to the viewports, allowing zooming, panning, and filtering chosen part of the large screen into a smaller screen. Okay, this is a words we are say. This is we are to saying that the viewport is what we are seeing. Okay, window port it's a image, full image. Okay, so in next slide here, this is all. See, this is your window. The windows minimum xw min, xw max. This is a word coordinates. Here, this is your viewport. What we see here, window we are see all the object at once. What viewport what we want to see, that will display in your viewport. That will be coordinates having a x v min, x v max, right? It gives the minimum maximum. Y v min, v indicates the viewport, here w indicates your window port. So how it will be transferring? Okay, window, it is the area on the word coordinate selected for a display. This is your full screen, then displaying this image. Okay, so what we want, and previous means the objects are there, we want to zoom it, then the specific part will be zooming, that is called a viewport. Okay, so viewport, it is the area on the device coordinate where graphics is to be displayed. Okay, so what are the word coordinates here indicates the partition coordinates with respect to which we define the diagram, like as we said xw min, xw max, right? So this is xw min, xw max, and yw min, yw max. This gives you a screen. Device coordinate, it is the screen coordinates where the objects are to be displayed, like xv min, xv max, yv min, yv max. Okay, so here this is a theoretically we said how the it will prove by the mathematical calculation we will see. Using mathematical calculation of a window and viewport, it may be possible that the size of a viewport is much smaller or greater than the window. It depends on the we are taking the size of a viewport coordinates and a window ports. In this case means maybe it is a smaller than the window or a greater than the window. In these cases we have to increase or decrease the size of window according to viewport, and for this we need some mathematical calculations. So here xw, yw indicates your a point on a window, right? xv, yv corresponding point on a viewport. Okay, so we have to calculate the point xv, yv means we are calculating for a viewport. So normalized point on a window, what we have the in a window on x-axis, xw means that is window, minus of xw min, xw max minus of xw min. The dividing of xw minus xw min to a xw max minus xw min. This is for a normalized point for a window for x-axis, and y is yw minus yw min divided by yw max minus yw min. Okay, as the same we have write on the viewport as well. Okay, xv minus xv min divided by xv max minus xv min. Why we are doing this? Because we want a viewport coordinates in a zoomed one image. Okay, so now the relative positions of the object in a window and viewport are the same means both are on the same, then we got a x coordinate value is xw minus xw min divided by xw max minus xw min with the viewport that is xv minus xv min divided by xv max minus xv min. As we calculated the x coordinate, now we have to move calculate the for y coordinates. How we have to take the y coordinates here. YW is a Windows, right? YW mean Windows minimum size divided by YW max, that is maximum value, minus of YW min, that is a Windows. This is for your viewport, right? So for viewport YV minus of Y view minimum divided by yv max minus yv min. Okay, so after calculating for x and y coordinates we will get the x of v means a x coordinate viewport, that is x v min plus xw minus of xw min for scaling of a x coordinate. Yv means y coordinates of viewport is yv min plus yw minus of yw min multiply with the scaling of a y coordinates, right? Where s of x and s of y coordinates are the scaling factors of a x and y coordinates. Okay, so for x, how we have to get the scaling of your x coordinate, that is a x of view maximum minus x of v min divided by x of window max minus x of w min. So same thing for a y coordinate, scaling of y coordinates, that is y v, that is viewport maximum minus y viewport minimum divided by y max minus of yw min. This is for your min. This is for a scaling of a viewport of a x coordinates, and this is of a y coordinates, right? I hope this is clear. So how we will get the viewport from the window port. Okay. So for next we will discuss the how the clipping will be done using the viewport and window port. Okay. For that the algorithms are there. Line clipping algorithm we continue with in the next video. So I think everything concept is clear to everyone. We will meet soon in next video. Thank you.